Have you ever been so excited to take a trip that you don't sleep a wink the night before you leave? That's how I was when I took my family to Washington, D.C. so that I could present at the Site Conference on the Thursday before Easter Sunday. We left the house at 5 a.m. to board the train in Charlotte, North Carolina. Can you see how dark it is outside? We were a little sleepy as we started out, but once we really got going on the train, it was fun to watch movies and read books and just look out the window. I think my daughter's favorite part was going to the cafe car to get snacks, though. The conference was informative, and our presentation went well. Dr. Harris, Hannah Chapman, and myself presented on technology and the intersection of the TPAC and UDL frameworks during internship. After the presentation, my family, Charles, Grace, Elizabeth, and myself, decided to take in some of the sights. We saw the Jefferson Memorial and the Washington Monument, and as you can see, some of us got tired of being asked to smile so that Mom could take another photograph. On Friday and Saturday, we went to several of the Smithsonian museums and the National Art Gallery, the Capitol Building, and the Botanical Gardens. We saw artifacts that demonstrated the most heartbreaking aspects of our history as a nation, as well as learning about some of our most honored heroes. We were able to see real space shuttles, as well as a mock-up of the USS Enterprise, and while we were exhausted after our days of exploration and learning, I think we were all eager to press on. Walking around, jumping on the metro, interacting with people from all walks of life while simultaneously immersing ourselves in our nation's history just showed how much we don't know, how much we have left to learn. We knew the Washington trip would be fun, but it ended up being transformative. I'm thankful we had the opportunity to learn and grow as people, and I look forward to going again. And even though we were away from home, the Easter Bunny was still able to find us. And who could say no to jelly beans at 7 in the morning? Clearly not Elizabeth. Bless.